Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Afrina Binti Mohamad Halim. I am from Faculty of Applied Science. My degree is Bachelor in Science Hons Biology, and the title of my study is Allelopathic Effects of Mango Leaves on Woody Boredia or Hediotis verticillata. I am supervised by Dr. Kairunisa Binti Kamarudin. Woody Boredia or Hediotis verticillata is a creeping perennial plant that has become a problematic weed for the past years and until now in oil palm plantations in Malaysia. The excessive application of herbicides can cause soil and water pollution. Moreover, this Woody Boredia has developed resistance to many herbicides like paraquat and glyphosate. Allelopathy is the presence of chemicals released by one plant species that affect another plant species. The allelopathic effects can be inhibiting or promoting the germination or growth of other plant species. Due to the bad impacts of synthetic chemical herbicides, allelopathic effects by natural plant has drawn much attention to make it a new herbicide. Much research has been done that shown that mango or Mangifera indica leaves have a good amount of allelochemicals that can resist the growth of roots and shoots of some plant species. Therefore, the objective of this study is to examine the effect of different concentration of mango leaf extractions on Woody Boredia, to examine the effects of different rates of mango leaves powder on Woody Boredia, and to evaluate the allelopathic effects of mango leaf extractions on Woody Boredia. To achieve the objective of this study, let's move on to the preparation of the sample. The first one is mango leaves powder. The mango leaves will be washed with running tap water and rinsed with distilled water and will be air dried under shade for 5 days. Then, it will be oven dried in an oven at 60 degrees Celsius for 4 hours. The dried leaves will be ground by an automated stainless steel grinder until it becomes as fine as powder. The next one is mango leaves extract. 8.5 grams of mango leaves powder will be transferred into the saucelet tool, and 200 ml of 70% methanol was added as a solvent. The saucelet apparatus was left running for 8 hours. After the extraction has been completed, the methanolic extract in the round bottom flask, which is free from leaves powder, will be collected at the end. With the two samples, two types of tests were done. The first one is qualification of mango leaves compound by using Fdir. The next one is Woody Boredia seed germination test. The Fdir tests were done by putting 0.2 gram of mango leaves powder on the clean spectrometer. The infrared light will interpret the individual spectra, then the sample can be detected and evaluated. The Woody Boredia seed germination tests were done by preparing 2 sets of 30 petri dishes, and each petri dishes were filled with 50 Woody Boredia dried seeds. A set of 30 petri dishes were treated with 0, 20, 40, 60, 80, and 100% volume over volume mango leaf extracts equally. Another set of 30 petri dishes were treated with also 0, 20, 40, 60, 80, and 100% weight over volume of mango leaves powder equally. And the germination rate were analyzed by finding the shoot length after 2 weeks, and the seed emergence were counted and analyzed by using one-way ANOVA. Based on research, the phenols that oppose allelochemicals in mango leaves are mangiferin, p-hydroxybenzaldehyde, M-coumarate, and P. Coumatic. Vanillic, caffeic, gallic, and lastly, protocatechoic acids. Vanillic, caffeic, gallic, and lastly, protocatechoic acids. The figure shows the results of analysis of FTIR. We can see the absorbance of compound hydroxyl OH lay at 3,307 per centimeter. Alkanes, which is CH stretching at 2,886.6 per centimeter. Conjugated alkanes and cyclic alkane, which is C double bond C stretching at 1,616.23 per centimeter. Methyl group C single bond H bending at 1,442.5 per centimeter. Vinyl ether CO stretching at 1,027.6 per centimeter, and alkene C double bond C bending can be found at 665.21 per centimeter. Moving on to the next test, which is woody Boredia seed germination test. The table 4.2 shows the length of shoot emerged from woody Boredia seeds after 2 weeks treatment of mango leaves extract, and the table 4.2 shows the same length of shoot emerged from woody Boredia seeds after 2 weeks treatment of mango leaves powder. Based on both of the tables, we can see that low concentration of mango leaves treatment, which is 20% and 40%, shows the stimulation of shoots of woody Boredia seeds. It is even higher than the treatment of 0%, which is only plain water. But then, as the concentration of the mango leaves treatment increase, which is 60% until 100%, the phytotoxic effects of the allelochemicals in the mango leaves started to react, which is the length of shoot gradually decreases. This shows that allelochemicals in mango leaves only effects as herbicides at higher concentration. Based on the first test, which is FTIR test, shows that all functional groups of all phenols can be detected. However, all phenols have ester, but ester cannot be detected in the FTIR. This may be because of some human error. However, some unknown absorbance at 1,320.8 per centimeter was found, and that was the nearest absorbance with the ester. And the next test is a germination of Boredia seed test. The result shows that the mango leaves have the allelopathic effects on woody Boredia. It does not matter in what form, both extracts and powder can function well and produce both stimulatory and inhibitory effects. The potentials are fully relied on the concentration of the treatment applied on the wheat seeds. This shows that higher concentrations of mango leaves extract and powder can cause phytotoxic effects on the woody Boredia seeds. So, as in the hypothesis, mango leaves can be the alternative of the herbicide sold in the market. However, we need to use high concentration of mango leaf treatments and powder to achieve the inhibiting purpose of the allelochemicals in the mango leaves. Otherwise, the weeds will be stimulated to germinate more seeds and cause more interference and competition between the plants in the plantation. Well, that is all from my study. I'm Afrina Binti Mohamad Halim. Thank you and Assalamualaikum.